Hey everybody, today we're going to go over another feature that is in the new V6 software as well as the new V3 software for Terminator X. So previously we had a dashboard where you can, if you go online, you can USB link right there and you can go to your dashboard and you can view some stuff here on a gauge panel. But when you have a lot of inputs and a lot of outputs, it's kind of a pain because you have to build these boxes in order to view everything that you want to see inside of the EFI system. So Holley decided to add a new dashboard function. So you have to be online in order to use this. And it's this tab right here called dashboard, right? So this is gauge panel. This is now your dashboard. So if we click this, this is absolutely everything that is going on inside of the ECU, right? Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully you can see the screen pretty well. So if we look, it's every single function in the ECU, and there's 2 pages with a denominator, right? So hit page 2, we've got a whole bunch of stuff, all of your diagnostic counts that are here, all of your advanced tables are all through here, and then all of your inputs, if you notice, they're sectioned, right? So it says inputs, outputs here, advanced here, water methanol, diagnostics, and then you've got your on the first page, we've got your fuel, your spark, idle, sensors, system, transmission. It's got everything you need, right? So what let me show you just the beauty of this is that you don't have to go hunting for everything inside of your gauge panel, and now it's all just in one screen. So when you do a new car, or if you're hunting down a problem and you don't know what's going on with it, this is a really good tool. If you notice, everything's live, right? If you can also toggle this and hit show status, and it'll tell you if you have an error somewhere, right? So closed loop status right now is in open loop, the car's not running, right? Fuel economy is disabled. Learn status is no learn going on right now, right? So all of our we don't have any output errors. In the transmission ICF, no errors in any of this kind of stuff. So we go to page 2, it'll tell us if it, like these right here, these are all undefined, right? Good way to spot check if you've got a problem with something. And then we go to show values, right? Our pump fuel level is 6%, converter PSI is 1%, drive shaft speed is 0 RPM. So you can spot all of this stuff all in one spot, right? So what I'm going to do, just so you can see this stuff kind of live roll, is, where is it? The only downfall to this is that there's a lot of stuff that you now need to find. So right here we got TPS, right? So as you can see, we're live. I can come over here and I can roll the throttle, right? And TPS is live. All this stuff is live, right? So all the changes are being live, in real time. I find this function to be quite useful, especially if you've got like this worked the other night, looking for a boost safety. So right here you see where it says boost safety is 0. I had a customer that had a boost safety enabled for some reason, and it was reading 1,000. Brought this screen up, was able to find it and find the reason why the boost safety was enabled, and we shut it off and we fixed the car. So this is a pretty good, useful tool. So this is another one of the things that just came out in the new V6 software. And again, it's also in Terminator X. So use it as you're liking, but make sure you have to be online to use it. So, all right, have a good one.